Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Knongston College haka absen terik benai nai luar arajar arpulai kalayo ban pelong ya ke graduation di jongka college nak bentau senam arajar arpulai. Pat haka ju ketika sengi layo ru ban pli ki artli ki building bathamai bakentup ya ke commerce building bat ke girls hostel haka bau rakam e sangma menteri ketenat puli putih ke sarkar jela ulalong gumukongsan haka jia don lang ru ba HM Shangpliang nong ai buj ketenat puli putih ke sarkar jela komu sembut kongsan. Hakate kesini nak keleng ke college kelayu ban pen ko buram kerpang ru ek sawut ki samla puli ki bela pendap ya graduate ber ki bela la ban wan ha ki keran ki basyakman bakan thop ya ke ibajana lingdo 4th position ha zoology ukos phalan lingkoi 6th position ha zoology penshat bor thongni 6th position ha chemistry bat ka pin ishisha wanyang 10th position ha political science nanor kite ki sawut ka college kum kadak kelayu ru ban ai ka momentos Shabaro ki bala pendap ya ka graduate jong usnam arajar arpulai iba kenthop ya ka art stream commerce but science stream haga jo kapor kala yo ru ban pen ko buram ki no hikai ki bala pendap ya ka doctorate degree ha ka ba kongsan bo semput kongsan kila yo ban sam shu aga te ka si la don lang ru DC West Khasi Hills UMLA barem ka Knongston ba Macmillan Bersan walong kumu chairman ka governing body ka Knongston College Dr LL Mausor secretary governing body Dr. I Mautho, Principal Knongston College, ki Principal na kiway bat ki school, kinahikay, ki samla puli, bat kiway.
This college has took a journey of tremendous acceleration, momentum journey of this college. I've seen the sanction of the Rusawan and from the NLCPR and the sanctioning of 37, if I'm not wrong, 33 more? 43 of the new sanction falls under People's College, grant to this college. But it says, Newton's third law of motion, it says, every action has equal and opposite reaction. We can say, for the past 40 years, you might feel, maybe from the government side, did feel that it had not been given much attention. But it is in the last 5 years, the attention of this government has given to this college is so tremendous, and it is also compensated the last 45 years did not happen. So maybe all this is because of happened by Macmillan is here with us. He was of our MLAs and he was so closely associated with the Honorable Chief Minister, and because of this, you have received all kinds of attention and the sanction of this government.